What's up guys, in today's video we're going to be unboxing a whole case of the Krabby Patty Plus Prize. Now our goal is to get the Super Rare Golden SpongeBob right here. Okay guys, are you ready? It's time to unbox. So, we got Larry the Lobster. Of course, another cherry. This has to be it. Oh, we got SpongeBob! Yeah! This is the main character. This has to be it. Blue raspberry. Okay. Character here. Come on. Oh wait, we got Patrick. Nice. Hi, buddy. It's a match. Of course, blue raspberry again. What do we get? Okay. Mermaid Man. Yeah, I think it's Mermaid Man. I like how kids can just eat the pretty patties or colorful pretty patty. Green apple. Well, they can just unbox these. That would be actually fun. I'm not eating these though. Not eating. Oh my gosh, Patrick again? We got doubles? We don't want doubles. Oh my gosh. I'm getting really frustrated. Green apple. I'm speed run. Okay. Yeah, Squidward. Now we gotta get this. We better get it. What? We got another Squidward? We hate doubles, don't we? This better be it. Let me put my magic. We got another Squidward. This is frustrating. We got Sandy. This better be it. I know it's not gonna be. And we got another Patrick. Okay guys, so we didn't get the Super Rare Golden SpongeBob, but this is what we got so far. 3 Patricks. Thank you. Okay. And then we got 3 Squidwards. 1 SpongeBob. And Larry Lobster. And then Sandy Cheeks. And lastly, Mermaid Man. Bye guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.